Hi everyone, so today I am finally filming my squishy collection of 2016, and I know I have been slacking off in this video, but it's finally here. So today I'll be showing you guys all of my squishies of this year, although I will probably be getting more sometime during this year, but I just couldn't be waiting any longer to film this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the Bear School Pancake. I have the mini eye bloom peach. This jumbo panda bun. This jumbo marshmallow bun. This Hello Kitty pink cafe squishy. And this is the coffee cup. Strawberry Aoyama Tokyo cake roll. Rilakkuma meets honey common squishy. I have Millie the whale. I have Snowy. This Hello Kitty volleyball. This Hello Kitty Caracone, and this one does not have a yellow nose. This cat emoji bun. This basketball crush ball. This reproduced Hello Kitty shortcake. This realistic muffin. This orange cake roll. This mini blue emoji bun. This jumbo silver metallic taiyaki fish. This Hello Kitty pancake. This Bath snow cone. The black Hello Kitty soap squishy. This Hello Kitty dessert. This medium panda bun. The jumbo Aoyama Tokyo English bread. The Cutie Creative bakery loaf. The replica jumbo Hello Kitty blue donut. This jumbo Disney toast. The original Hello Kitty design. The football crush ball. The jumbo eye bloom peach. This jumbo blush bun. The white design of the donut from Only Sweet Cafe eye bloom squishy. This one piece squishy. The Sammy Christmas cake. This triangle sandwich. This yellow cake roll. This mini panda bun. this Kurokuma finger puppet squishy. This egg emoji. This red bean pastry. And lastly, this chopper in a Hello Kitty costume. So that is all for my squishy collection, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos on this channel, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe. That would mean a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Which is their website and their mascot, Panda Bun. I've never really seen this design before. First item that I received is the new Only Sweet Cafe Blue Donut.